Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, remember, Terra Classic Coin getting listed by Coinbase is what we have been waiting for. Now, what are the possibilities that Terra Classic Coin is going to get listed by Coinbase? Now, someone sent me a mail asking me this question: what are the possibilities? Because we all know once Coinbase lists Terra Classic Coin, of course, there is going to be an increase in price and also on market cap. Now, for me, remember, Coinbase can really bring a lot of change. When you take a look at Terra Classic, I know that so many exchanges have already listed this coin, but ask yourself, how many of them are really controlling the volume of this coin? Now, take a look at Binance. Binance are the number one that controls Terra Classic with about 47 to 60% of Terra Classic volume, and in terms of burning, Binance are burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Now, Coinbase coming in, there's a possibility because Coinbase, before the crash of Terra Classic as of April 2022, Coinbase already listed Terra Classic before. Okay, so that business history, that partnership is already there, but just that because of the crash, they were able to remove Terra Classic from their platform. Now that Terra Classic, believing that this is over for Terra Classic, but with the help of Binance, especially Binance founder CZ and other crypto exchanges, Terra Classic is still standing there, and it now is growing. The market cap is coming back because the market cap then was just about, I think they dropped up to $100 million or below $100 million. Right now, the market cap is over $1 billion. People have started bringing in back money. People have started investing back. And not just that, they decided to launch the 1.2% tax bond that will help destroy the number of circulating supply and the supply they have. They have about 6 trillion coins out there. Now, Binance also be supporting this 1.2% tax bond. Now, the community of Terra Classic, of course, they are also mounting pressure on Coinbase to list Terra Classic. Now, last year, 2022, according to CoinMarketCap, the statistics on their platform, Terra Classic was one of the top 10 crypto coins. People were searching on CoinMarketCap. People want to get information. People want to know what is really going on with Terra Classic. And most time when I check for the period of 3 months, I discover they are at the first or third most searched coin on CoinMarketCap. So now this year, we believe that this coin, thank God the coin actually, the market cap has increased from 600 million to over $1 billion, okay? And I believe more people keep investing money, and this coin will keep increasing. The staking have also increased all the way from 80 billion coins to over about 1 trillion coins. So you can see people are really getting back. This coins is bouncing back. So the possibility of Coinbase listing in Terra Classic is possible. And there was a rumor that Coinbase even want to buy Terra Classic coin worth about $245 million. I don't know how possible is that, but one thing I know for sure is Terra Classic might be getting listed on Coinbase because they started this year 2023 with an impressive increase in price, increase in market cap, and not just that, Terra Classic also this year will be burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Terra Classic is not just like Shiba Inu that have a lot of coin, over 548 trillion coins. Or you talk about Tectonic with about 500 trillion coins. Or you want to talk about other small cap coins, but this coin right now is ranked number 51 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And when you take a look at most of from number 1 coin to 100 coins, you discover most of them get listed by almost all the exchanges. So I believe if they keep doing well this year, if they keep increasing the market cap, the price, people keep coming in, Coinbase might not have any choice than to list back Terra Classic coin. And when that happens, Terra Classic is going to gain a lot of confidence from people. Terra Classic is going to gain a lot of market cap. The price, of course, will definitely increase. And I hope, because our target this year is for Terra Classic to hit 1 penny, 1 cent. Hitting 1 cent is possible, and I believe that holders will be smiling to the bank. And let's hope to see this coin keep burning. Let's hope to see Terra Classic keep increasing in price. And I hope before the end of the year that Coinbase will finally list Terra Classic coin, just like the way Binance have already listed, burning, supporting, and Kucoin, Crypto.com, and other crypto coins. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision, and please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.